Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home. So, my dear students, today we will revise exercise 2D, that is place value and face value. Okay, so my dear students, but very first, we will see the solution of previous homework. In previous class, I had given you to solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? So now, I hope you all have done your homework. So, match your answers with this solution. Okay? Here you can see the whole solution of question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? And now I am going to start our today's class. Today we will revise exercise 2D, that is related to place value and face value. So, my dear student, do you know what is the meaning of place value? Yes, the place value of a digit depends upon its position in a number. Means कि place value, किसी भी डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू उसके नंबर पे डिपेंड करता है. मीन्स कि नंबर में वो डिजिट किस प्लेस पे है इस पे डिपेंड करता है. बट द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट इज डिजिट इटसेल्फ. मीन्स जो फेस वैल्यू होता है किसी भी डिजिट का वो खुद ही डिजिट ही होता है. एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू इज changeable, but the face value remain unchanged. As you know, the place value of a particular digit depend upon its position in the place value chart and change with the position of digit. So that's why the place value is changeable. But the face value of particular digit in a given numeral is the value of digit itself. That's why the face value remain unchanged और always same. मीन्स कि जो प्लेस वैल्यू होता है वो किसी भी नंबर में उसके डिजिट के प्लेस के अकॉर्डिंग होता है, इसलिए वो हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. बट द फेस वैल्यू वो कोई भी नंबर स्वयं ही होता है, इसलिए वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता है. एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज आई हैव taught you in previous class in detail how we can find out the place value and face value of any digit in given number. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, we will solve question number first. Question number first is write the place value of in A 3 in. You can see here there is some numbers and we have to find out the place value of 3 in. फर्स्ट इज़ 4378. मतलब 4378 में हमें 3 के प्लेस वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज़ अ वंस, टेंस, 100 and 1000. सो नाउ टेल मी एट विच प्लेस 3 इज़. सो इन दिस 3 इज़ at 100 place. 3 at 100 place, so it means we will multiply 3 with 100, then we get 300. Okay, so the place value of 3 in 4378 is 300. Okay, next is 3509. We have to find out the place value of 3 in 3509. So we can see here 3 at 1000 place. 3 at 1000 place. So we will multiply 3 with 1000. Then we get 3000. So in number 3509, the place value of 3 is 3000. Okay. In third, 4736. So in third number we can see 3 at tens place. 3 at tens place. It means we will multiply 3 with 10. So when we will multiply 3 with 10, we get 30. So 30 is the place value of 3 in 4736. Okay. So my dear student, you can see here there is a different place value of 3 in different numbers. As in first, the place value of 3 is 300. In second, the place value of 3 is 3000. And in third, the place value of 3 is 30. Okay. So similarly, you have to solve remaining question, means B, C and D. Okay. Look at question number 2. Write the face value of 8 in. So how we can find out face value? It is very simple. We know the face value of a digit itself. So in the number 5784, the face value of 8 will be 8. The face value of 8 will be 8. इस नंबर 5784 में 8 की फेस वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 8 होगी, क्योंकि हमें पता है किसी भी डिजिट का फेस वैल्यू खुद ही वो डिजिट होता है. ओके. सो सिमिलरली you have to solve B and C. And in both question, means B and C, you have to find out the face value of 8. Means इन दोनों question में भी आपको 8 की face value को ही find out करनी है. Okay. Look at the question number 3. In the numeral, first A, 5972, the face value of 9. So tell me the face value of 9 is 9. The face value of 9 will be 9. Okay. And the place value of 9, so we can see in the number 5972, 9 at 100 place. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 9 at 100 place. So the place value of 9 will be 900. Because 9 at 100 place, and when we will multiply 9 with 100, we get 900. So the place value of 9 is 900 in the number 5972. Okay. And similarly you have to solve D and C. Look at the question number 4. Take the number or numbers that match each statement. Means कि हमें इन स्टेटमेंट में जो लिखा है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग इन नंबर्स पे टिक करना है जो भी करेक्ट हो. ओके. सो फर्स्ट इज देयर इज 3 इन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी फ्रॉम दीज नंबर्स इन विच नंबर इज 3 इन द 100 प्लेस. मीन्स इन तीनों नंबर्स में से किस में 300 प्लेस पे है. हो सकता है एक में भी हो सकता है दोनों में हो और हो सकता है कि तीनों ऑप्शन में हो. ओके. सो लेट्स चेक. इन नंबर फर्स्ट 3487, सो वी कैन सी 3 at 1000 place, but we have to find out 3 in the 100 place. So look at next 1340. Yes, we can see in this 3 at 100 place in 1340. So we will take on this number. Okay. And next 2344. In this question also 3 at 100 place, 2354. So we will take it. Okay. So in two numbers, 1340 and 2354, the 3 in the 100. And likewise you have to solve B, C and D. Okay, so now look at question number 5. Work out of the following. So you have to solve this question in your notebook, means directly in your notebook. A. The difference of the place values of 2 8s in 3688. So means in number 3688, the place value of 2 8s means 3688 में जो ये 2 हैं इनके प्लेस वैल्यू के बीच में डिफरेंस को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. सो वेरी फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 8s. So my dear students, in question in number 3688, first 8 at 1's place. So the place value of this 8 will be 8. Okay, and second 8 at 10's place. So the place value of second 8 will be 80. When we multiply 8 with 10, we get 80. So now we have to find out the difference between 80 and 8. Difference means subtraction. So we will subtract 8 from 80, means हम 80 में से 8 को subtract करेंगे. So what we get here is 0 and we have to subtract 8 ones from 0 ones. So it is not possible. So what we will do, we will borrow from 8. Then here will be 10 and here will left only 7. Now we can subtract it. 10 minus 8, 2, and here 7 means, so we get 72. So the 72 is the difference of the place value of 2 8s in 3688. मीन्स 3688 में जो 2 8s हैं जो कि 1's प्लेस और 10's प्लेस पे हैं, उन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस कितना है? 72. सो आवर आंसर इज 72. ओके, लाइक दिस you have to solve it. Similarly, you have to solve B, C, D and E. Firstly, you have to read this question carefully and after that you have to solve it. Okay, so now look at question number 6. Write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digit. So my dear students, as I have taught you earlier how we can make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digit. Okay, so let's see. First is 5326. हमें 5326 डिजिट का यूज़ करके ग्रेटेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर्स को बनाना है. ओके, सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, as you know, for making greatest number, we will put the greatest digit among given digit at 1000 place. So now tell me which is the greatest digit among the given digit. So this is 6. So we will write 6 at 1000 place. I am writing here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 6 at 1000 place. Okay, in next greatest digit at 100 place. So next greatest digit is 5. Okay, and in next greatest digit at 10th place. So this is 3. And finally the smallest digit at 1's place. So which is the smallest digit? This is 2. So you can see here 6532 is the greatest 4-digit numbers by using digit 5, 3, 2 and 6. Okay, and now we have to make smallest digit. So this rule is just opposite of previous rule. Means in this, firstly we will write smallest digit at 1000 place. Smallest digit at 1000 place. So in digit 5326, 2 at 2 is the smallest digit, so we will write 2 at 1000 place. And next smallest digit at 100 place. So this is 3, and next smallest digit at 10th place, and finally greatest digit at 100 place. Okay, so the number 2300, so 2356 as smallest 4-digit number using digit 5, 3, 2 and 6. Okay, my dear student, you can see here 2356 is just opposite of 6532. Okay, because the रूल इज़ जस्ट अपोजिट. मीन्स एक हमें सबसे बड़ा बनाना है तो दूसरा सबसे छोटा बनाना है, तो जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वो सबसे छोटे का जस्ट अपोजिट ही होगा. ओके, सो आई होप you all have understood how we will solve this exercise 2D. So my dear student, now this is your homework. You have to solve all remaining question. Means remaining question of question number 1 B, C and D, remaining question of question number 2 B and C, remaining question of question number 3 B, C also, remaining question of question number 4 B, C and D, and similarly remaining question of question number 5 B, C, D and E, and remaining question of question number 6 B, C, D, E and F. And my dear students, you have to make notes. Okay, you have to write 3 questions from all questions in your notebook. Okay, you have to solve all questions, but you have to write only 3 questions in your notebook. Okay, so thank you and God bless you.